Hi, I'm Chris Johnston from Work Visa Lawyers. So welcome to our October news video. Please subscribe to our channel. This helps us to continue to make great videos for you. In this video, we'll be discussing the ART and how it may be tougher to lodge an appeal with the ART. Also, the surge in refusals and appeals. The indicative levels of allocations for education providers in 2025. Updates on the 190 and the 491. The new work and holiday visa for China, India and Vietnam. And when will the 189 round be? When will the Skills in Demand and National Innovation visas arrive? With the end of the year approaching, we're expecting some significant changes to Australia's immigration system. This could include the termination of the Global Talent Visa, which may be replaced by the National Innovation Visa. It could also include the opening of the new Skills in Demand visas, which has 3 streams, including the Specialist Skills, the Core Skills, and the Essential Skills pathways. This is also expected by the end of the year. There is a great deal of stress from those with occupations on the Confident Off list as part of the Core Skills Consultation. The Core Skills Consultation was when they were asking stakeholders, including business, which occupations they wanted on the Core Skills list. Your occupation, will it stay or will it go? The big question about the Core Skilled Occupation list is, will your occupation be on it? We're going to go through some of the occupations that are at risk of being left off the list now. The Confident Off list includes all agricultural management level jobs, including cattle farmer and vegetable grower, childcare centre manager, customer service manager, nutritionalist, microbiologist, graphic designer, health promotions officer, telecommunications engineer, disability services officer, and refuge worker. So these occupations could be off the Core Skills list and therefore not available for employer sponsorship under the new Core Skills visa. While these changes do not yet have official implementation dates, we will keep you updated as soon as we hear anything about when the new Skills in Demand visa comes out. The new ART and visa refusal appeals. From the 14th of October 2024, the Administrative Appeals Tribunal, which is the AAT, will be abolished and replaced with the Administrative Review Tribunal, which is the ART. This transition marks a significant restructuring of the administrative review process in Australia. These reforms reflect a broader effort to modernise and improve the administrative review system in Australia, ensuring a more effective, efficient and responsive to the needs of the public system. Surge in AAT and ART appeals. As reported in the Financial Review on the 8th of October 2024, bridging visa numbers have spiked to 323,583 from 191,235 a year ago, as former students appeal their cancellations of their visas and denials of their applications. Consistent with this trend, we're assisting more people with visa refusals, with most being for student visas, student cancellations and graduate visas. The Australian Government has released the 2025 indicative allocation numbers for student visas for universities, colleges and vocational schools. Overall, we see a pattern where allocations have decreased for major universities in Australia, particularly in Melbourne and Sydney, while some smaller regional universities have received increased allocations. Understanding these numbers is crucial as they provide insight as to how difficult or easy it might be to secure enrolment with a particular university if you're looking to have a student visa in the near future. We posted a detailed video about this, so have a look if you want to understand the numbers before you attempt to make an enrolment. 190 and 491 updates. The states and territories have been inviting expressions of interest. Did your occupation get invited? In South Australia, for example, our clients have recently received invitations for the following occupations. Mechanical engineer invited with 75 points for the 190. Registered nurse invited with 70 points for the 491 visa. Pathology collector invited with 75 points for the 491. Retail pharmacist invited with 70 points on the 190 visa. If you need assistance with submitting your expression of interest or registration of interest, please contact us. 491 visas for business. In this financial year, Queensland and Tasmania have opened pathways for small business owners in regional Queensland and the Tasmanian Business Operator pathway for people operating small businesses in Tasmania. In Queensland, you must purchase an existing registered business outside of Southeast Queensland or have started your own business and have continuously run that business for a minimum of 2 years. In Tasmania, you must demonstrate you've established or operated a business for at least 12 months. If you want to know more about the 491 visa for business, please contact us using the link in the description. The 462 work and holiday visa for India, China and Vietnam. The ballot system for people from India, China and Vietnam regarding the Australian 462 work and holiday visa is already open. This will allow individuals from these countries to register for the possibility of being randomly selected to apply for the first working holiday visa when it opens. The registration will cost $25. The 462 work and holiday visa is designed for young people aged 18 to 30 years, allowing them to live and work in Australia for 1 year with the possibility of extending for another 1 or 2 more years. Share this with friends or family if they're interested. The new Workplace Justice Visa for people being exploited in the workplace has opened. This new visa is introduced to protect migrant workers who've experienced exploitation in their workplace. This visa allows for these workers to remain in Australia for up to 12 months while their claims of exploitation are being investigated. You can check out our detailed video about the Workplace Justice Visa. When will the next 189 round be? So let's look at recent history. There was a round on Monday the 18th of December in 2023 and Thursday the 8th of December in 2022. In 2021, there was no December round, but instead there was one on the 21st of January 2022. So a December round is likely, but it's not a certainty. This means that those with an occupation on the medium-term skilled occupation list should have their skills assessed and their English test results ready so that they're ready to apply if they're invited. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. This helps us to continue producing content to keep you informed about the Australian immigration process. Thanks for watching.